Lovely people, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life, also known as Coupon Crystal. I've got a Walmart Ibotta haul for you again. Let's jump into this haul. The first thing I decided to get was this Scentiva Scented Clorox Bleach. I was super excited about this. This is a lavender and jasmine scented bleach. It is priced $5.72 in my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $4.72 for the Scentiva Clorox Bleach. I think that is a pretty good deal. Next rebate I decided to get was the instant oatmeal. Now this rebate you must purchase too, okay? Now these were priced $2.87 in my Walmart for a cost of $5.74 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $4.74 for the 2 boxes. Yeah. Next rebate I decided to get was the Ritz toasted chips. Now you can get the crackers also, okay? These were priced $3.46 in my Walmart. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.96. I like the sour cream. They have several different flavors. If you like these, let us know in the comments below. Next rebate I decided to get was the Tasty Cakes. You know, I'm always on the lookout for things to put in my husband's lunch. And these were priced $2.28 in my Walmart. There is a 35-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.93. These are the honey buns. The other ones I got with those little round I'm not quite sure what they were called. Pecan swirls, I think. I think they were called pecan swirls. Okay, the next rebate I decided to get was the Dawn Antibacterial. This is the Easy Squeeze. Okay, this was priced $3.94 in my Walmart. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.19. Now, the next rebate I had to get was my Krusties, okay? The Krusties muffin, but this time I got chocolate chunk, and look, it says it's made with real chocolate chips, so that's going to be good. These were priced $3.38 in my Walmart. There is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.13 for the Krusties chocolate chunk muffins. Okay, so muffin mix. All right, you gotta mix them up. So what I plan to do, I plan to make these, and my husband can take some in his lunch. I can have it for breakfast, and maybe I'll put some of that raw sugar on the top, like a biscuit meal. Yeah, that's going to be good. Next rebate I decided to get was my Land O'Lakes butter again. This is the butter with canola oil. Now, this was priced $2.48 in my Walmart. There is a 65-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.83. There are other flavors that you can also get, but some are a little more. Okay, I'm going to just throw this right in the freezer, you know, in case I ever run out of butter. All right, because I like to buy the sticks from Sam's Club. I like the Sam's Club butter. Next rebate I got was the McCormick Lemon Herb Butter Pack. I told you all I've tried this, and I do like it. You mix it with 8 ounces of milk, and it cooks very fast, and it's quite tasty. $1.46 in my Walmart. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.21. Next rebate I decided to get was the Success Boil and Bag Rice. So this was priced $2.38 in my Walmart. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88. Lovely people, it's the next day. I had to end up going and getting one more rebate in order to get my midweek bonus of do 10 rebates, get $5. I only had 9 rebates. So I had any receipt, but I guess between me getting home and scanning the receipt, it must have expired. Unknown to me, okay? So that's why it's very important. As soon as you shop, go ahead and scan your receipt in the car, okay? I'm just going to say it. Scan your receipt in the car. So the last rebate I decided to get was the Kinder chocolate. Now, I actually like these. I tasted it. My husband didn't care for it, but I did like it. It was priced $1.48 in my Walmart. There is $1.69 Ibotta rebate, making this be free and a 21 cents money maker. So I'm definitely going to eat that probably before I go to bed. Okay, so the total of all of my items, I got 11 items because you know I had 2 oatmeals, was $27.49. What did I use to pay for this transaction? My past Ibotta rebate money, okay? Now, you know, you saw my prior video, okay? So I used my Ibotta money and I redeemed $31 and some change. With editing this video, I realized that I actually redeemed $30 from my past Ibotta hauls or haul. How many have I done? 2? And I have it redeemed and it goes to my PayPal card. And I used that money to pay for that 27.49 transaction. I got back a total of $7.25 from that first set of rebates, and then $1.69 from this, making it be $8.94 for the actual rebates coming back. My $5 bonus, this 10th rebate counted. So I did get my $5 midweek bonus in time before it expired, giving me a total back of $13.94. So you take the $13.94 and subtract it from the $27.49 what I paid, making the final cost be $13.55 or $1.23 per item for the 11 items. I don't think that is too shabby at all, lovely people. I must admit, I have been bitten by the Ibotta bug, the coupon bug, y'all. I can't help it. I am bitten and I'm acting like the old couponing crystal because I'm sitting here with rebates on the floor in the green room again. I got mouthwash on the floor. I got Dawn and Febreze from last week that I need to put up. I did also scan my Fetch receipt, so make sure that you're scanning for Fetch and getting the credit for your points, okay? Now, also, I want to remind you all to make sure that you are checking your clearance section. My clearance section had several things, but they did have some hair color that was like $2.49, and there did happen to be $1 Ibotta rebate. Now, I didn't need the hair color because I go to a hairstylist to get my hair professionally colored because I'm not fooling with that. But I wanted to remind you all because from time to time, you can sometimes luck up on some good rebates in the clearance section. So if you're not sure about using Ibotta, if you're new to Ibotta, make sure you check out my playlist that I will have linked below. It'll give you a lot of information. I have several videos about Ibotta. Ibotta is very simple. I will say it's simple in the sense of I feel like a beginner couponer can definitely use Ibotta. And also it is just a user-friendly app. I feel that it is as well. I don't think it's hard. It's not difficult. Just all you got to remember is you can't combine coupons. With Ibotta, scan your items. Make sure that you upload your receipt as soon as you leave the store. And make sure you double check your rebates before you check out. I mean, it don't get no easier than that. You're actually scanning your item in the store with your phone to make sure you're getting the right product. So there's no going wrong with Ibotta, okay? So I encourage you all to download the app. Well, make sure that I also link my, my code for Ibotta, okay? You'll get something from Ibotta, and Ibotta will give me something if you decide to join, okay? Join means download the app, redeem a rebate, okay? Which is awesome. You will not be disappointed. Use my code and, let me know so I can shout you out the next Ibotta haul, honey, okay? I think I'm going to get off of here, guys. I'm going to try not to go to bed too late. I'm done today. When I tell you, my brain is mentally tired today. But I'm going to get off of here. I will see you all in the next one. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed any part of this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.